That's that sorted. Found out the mini horses are still there, and cheers. I shouldn't really be on the side, really. But hey, if that's the worst thing I do today, it's not bad, is it? I got the stuff I need to do my special homemade chicken. See if we can cycle up this bit. Oh, it might be tricky. Well, nearly took the bush out, but we did it. What's that little dog that was here last time? Me and my granddaughter come up with a trailer and a little pug. You know, by the time we finished, the little pug was like, fucking hell. And that was even when she was in the trailer. A little fat bugger. My granddaughter was pissing herself laughing. I do love skidding that back end out. I think whatever age you are, you probably still like that secretly. I was just checking where my keys was and I had the key panic. Bit of a headwind. Come on, come on, come on. 33. Whoa. This is probably about 3 miles an hour faster than the Red Star, but the Red Star is a lot heavier with fatter tyres and all that sort of stuff and steel frame, so it does well, does that Red Star really. I mean, this was brilliant as well. If we had to go on any long journeys though, the Red Star's always the one I'd pick. I mean, this is alright, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not wrong with it, but the Red Star's a lot comfier, really. You know, dusty as crap now with tractors. Don't expect it though, it's farmland. we're in the dust here, guys. I'm flying my mouth. Bastards. There's a motorbike coming, I think. Definitely a motorbike coming. You alright, mate? That is excellent. That couldn't beat me. How's it going, lads? You alright? What's that? Just 48. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad, is it? Hey, see you later. That was excellent. That it was proper trying to get past there. That is fucking brilliant. Well done, girl. How's it going, mate? You alright? That was excellent. Oh. Right, we're on. Nice one, guys. Take it easy.